If y'all want to know how I got this quick install, you feel me, nice and cute and sweet and keep watching this video.
HONEYBABY. I am that bitch, but bitch I'm the man. I got big plans, come get your man. He my biggest fan, need a knot in my hands. I am that bitch, but bitch I'm the man.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I forgot to do an intro, so I'm doing it now. I look like a fucking egg. I have no cap, very ghetto, and I don't got no got to be spray. We gonna start off with a nice flat base, okay? We gonna get some, oops, I'm just shaking the table. Shaking the table and take some motherfucking got to be gel. Oh my god, let me stop cursing. Take some got to be gel. The ring of your headline, girl. Push your bed. Push your bed. I would honestly suggest using the cap. Like, for real. And then you hit the blunt. Bow, 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 bow. Yo, wig, bitch. I put the clips on so that it could be secured. Yeah. Gee. Okay. Where it needs to go. Okay. Fucking hair. Okay, bitch. Take some got to be gel. Okay. Put it around your headline. Like that.
But don't do blotches because it's just not gonna be cute. If you just do that, it's not gonna give it, it's not gonna give that note. That melty effect that you want. Again, for sure. Take the shit.
Situations, put myself in this position. Now the only one to blame is me. I rather have you beside me. Give me a rush whenever you are inside. It's so divine. My legs unwind so me and you can intertwine. Nothing better than when I'm
make sure it's secure so that when you cut it, it don't come up. Cut the lace. Just cut the middle. Show y'all. Cut the middle. These scissors are like really big, so I wouldn't suggest going in with scissors like these if you don't know what you're doing. Close to the mirror. Bitch, I can't see. And you don't want to cut like right next to the scalp either, like your edges, and you don't want to cut too far out either, like you don't want too much lace there, so you want like just enough. Wait. This much go on, so I'm gonna pull this to the side and I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna literally cut like around my ear. I'm gonna cut this shit off. I'm gonna pull my ear out. Right? Boom. You playing with fun and knowing I'm the flame. Thinking shit a game, well it's play. You gon' learn your lesson, baby. I'ma show you the shit today. I turned the table because as you can see over here, if I just cut straight, it just looks weird. Like you're not really gonna see it because I'm gonna fix it and lay it, but I just don't like the way that looks. So you be dumb if you lose me, so I go be choosy when you know I'm something you can't leave alone. I'ma show you how this shit can really go. Hey, once you start fucking with me, you'll never go back. You'll never go back.
always come right back to me. Once you start fucking with me, you'll never go back. You'll always come back. You'll always
take a little bit of gel, spray, spritz, whatever, and just go around your lace with it, and just like take the tail of a rat tail comb or something, and just bitch touch those ends so that they can lay and melt. I didn't really bring mousse and I needed that. Okay. This is how I make my wigs stay down without a hot comb.
Said I need the real nigga. Yeah, I need to go get her somebody who gon' feel me. Said I need the real nigga.
Edges,
I know it's worth this pussy.
you just
I can't be
want
wasting good shit. And
to pull however much baby hairs you want to pull
I need that TLC,
down for your
that
edges.
big dick energy. And baby, I done had enough of these lame niggas. They all like the same niggas. Yeah. I will treat him
Take
so
a razor
right
and
once he came in my life. But
this one's like brand new. Shit is like real sharp. Feel me? Go on.
said I need the real nigga. Yeah, I need to go get her somebody who gon' feel me. Yeah, I need the real nigga. See, I like them hard, baby, please don't judge. No, I like them tough, something about them being rough. Oh, yeah, yeah. I need somebody who will treat me good. Keep it 100 and everything is understood. Don't have them side-eyeing me like if she knew what he be doing, the type of bitches he's screwing, yeah. Need somebody who is all about me. Can't even look at a bitch cause all he gon' see is me. Hey. He will treat me so right. Once I came in his life, eh, that's honey baby. They can't get with him cause that boy crazy about his lady. Said I need the real nigga. Yeah, I need to go get her somebody who gon' feel me. Yeah, I need the real nigga. It is so uncommon that I even will find myself bothered by these niggas, but I swear they trying me. So I really need you to come and save me, baby. This shit is crazy.
I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to straighten
Baby, where's
my
my
hair.
real nigga? I just need the real nigga. Said I need the
So here I am talking shit with my friends. But what I didn't show was when I first started flat ironing. So you want to make sure that you put some oil, some serum, some frizz buster, some something up in here to give it a silky, shiny oomph. Okay? Because you don't want to be walking around looking like a frizz ball. You should already know this by now. But little sections, mama. Little sections. Okay?
all of my spots, oh. Had me biting on that pillow.
Take your
Make me wanna
spritz
call my friends up.
and like,
Hey,
you don't want no
cool,
like lumps
bitch,
up
hey.
in
Let me
the
tell you about last
wig.
night.
There, you don't want just a clump of fucking spritz in your hair, bitch. That ain't cute.
You know, I don't even do that shit for real. Love the way you make my toes curl. Love the way that you be
Pretty good
gripping
one.
on my
Line.
neck. Got my eyes rolling to the back of my head.
No, no hot comb. No hot
And
comb.
I
Yeah.
underestimated
you,
you.
baby.
And the way you be licking and sticking and licking again got me gushing that dick gonna blow out a rib. When you tell me you love me, you make it feel real.
So this is the final look of the install after I done added the foundation and I flattened my fucking top, y'all. This is what it looked like. Quick install, no cap, okay. all facts, all lace, no prints. You feel me? I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell button. Go follow my social medias, link down below in the description box. Okay.